Forget boring keycaps. These dragon-side print keycaps promise to transform your typing experience and look absolutely stunning. But do they deliver on that promise of both style and substance? The Keycaps side print dragon translucent keycaps are certainly a statement piece. Right out of the box, the translucent design with the dragon motif printed on the asterisk side of each keycap immediately catches the eye. It's a clever approach, especially for those who love a clean top surface but still want that unique flair. When paired with a backlit mechanical keyboard, these keycaps truly come alive. The light shines through the translucent material, illuminating the dragon design from the side, creating an almost ethereal glow that really enhances visibility, whether you're burning the midnight oil in the office or gaming in a dimly lit room. It's not just about looking cool. It genuinely makes the legends easier to see in low light, which is a smart move for any discerning user. Beyond the striking aesthetics, Keycaps emphasizes ergonomics. They claim these keycaps are crafted to reduce hand fatigue during extended use. While ergonomics can be subjective, the feel of these keycaps is certainly comfortable. They have a smooth, yet not slippery, texture that feels good under the fingers. For professionals like programmers, editors, or writers who spend countless hours at their keyboards, any effort to improve comfort is a welcome one. Durability is another big selling point. With a comprehensive 136-key layout, these keycaps are designed to be wear-resistant and fade-proof. This means that dragon design and the legends won't rub off after months of intense typing, ensuring long-lasting aesthetics and performance. That's a crucial detail, as nobody wants their premium keycaps looking worn out too quickly. The fact that they've included 136 keys means compatibility with a wide range of mechanical keyboards, which is always a plus. Overall, the Keycaps side print dragon translucent keycaps are more than just a pretty face. They offer a unique blend of eye-catching design, practical backlighting enhancement, and a focus on user comfort and durability. If you're looking to elevate your keyboard from a tool to a true personal statement, these keycaps are definitely worth considering. They truly transform your setup into something special.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.